Hi friends, welcome to this Let It Out 100 video series. Let's try and understand why we are creating this video series. One of the basic things in life is trying to understand the self and why we are here on this universe. The boiling temperature of water is at 100 degrees Celsius, it converts to steam at 1 atmosphere. That's at sea level. And it just takes 1 degree of change to change your attitude and achieve success. The Let It Out 100 series is going to give you valuable tips for you to improve on your day-to-day basis. And if you implement these, life's going to be a bit different than what you're thinking right now. Let's check out.